we waiting for Thanksgiving for dessert and we prepare for the turkey.
What is the
tomorrow
meaning of
for
Thanksgiving Day?
This
Here's
is
what I
called
found on
tasty
Wikipedia.
pastry.
Thanksgiving, or Thanksgiving Day,
This
is a
is
public
beautiful
holiday
and
celebrated on the
good
fourth
pastry
Thursday
shop,
of November in the United States.
Here.
It originated as a harvest festival. Thanksgiving has been celebrated
This is
nationally on and
beautiful
off
church
since
right here.
1789, after Congress
see.
requested a proclamation by George
And
Washington.
another good
It has
part
been
is there's a
celebrated
moon
as a
right
federal
here.
holiday every year since
It
1864,
feels good.
when, during the American Civil War, President Abraham Lincoln proclaimed the National Day of Thanksgiving in praise to our beneficent Father who dwelleth in the heavens, to be celebrated on the last
Also the
Thursday in
chart.
November.
Thank you, Alexa,
Decorated.
virtual sweetheart.
And everybody has their mask. Is it tasty pastry? How about the another one? Can I see, please? The another one, that one, the small one.
Take it in the case. The big one.
Yeah, just. Oh, okay. No, and my that one.
Okay.
There's no tax in it.
No, that's good. Fine. You can do it.
That's pretty funny, yeah. How's it going? I'm sitting here and I'm like, what in the world?
You want any chocolate?
Chocolate in the back. That's hilarious.
Yeah.
How you doing? How's
Good, how are you?
everything?
He's
Good,
actually
good.
outside.
Oh, everyone
I guess
busy.
we'll say hi to him.
Yeah. Nice outside of the car.
That's so funny though.
Yeah, Jen is home.
Jen, you guys are doing Thanksgiving tomorrow?
At their house.
Okay, oh that's nice. That's
So we're
nice.
getting all the stuff and heading out there.
That's pretty much, yeah, pretty much doing the same thing.
What about you?
It's, yeah, in Brooklyn, yeah. So not going too far, but I guess it's what they want me to do.
I'll see if so you said it looks like the Napoleon, but it's like honey on top.
Yes, yes.
আমি আপনাকে পাশে পেয়ে খুশি। আমার হৃদয়ের অন্যতম ব্যক্তিকে ধন্যবাদ জানাই। আপনি নতুন আশা এবং দুর্দান্ত মূল্যবোধ নিয়ে প্রতিদিন সকালে ঘুম থেকে উঠতে পারেন। আমরা সৃষ্টিকর্তাকেও ধন্যবাদ জানাই। কৃতজ্ঞ হওয়ার জন্য বিভিন্ন কারণে একে অপরকে স্মরণ করিয়ে দেওয়ার উপযুক্ত একটি সময় থ্যাঙ্কসগিভিং ডে। এই আমেরিকাতে স্পেশালি তারা নভেম্বরের লাস্ট থার্সডেতে সেলিব্রেট করে থাকে। Many people live far from family members and travel long distances by car, train, or plane just to spend some quality time with their loved ones. They are happy for everything, what they have, what they got, shastho, health, body. It's everything they feel and they're very happy for that. I'm very grateful and thankful for everything and cherish and worship for that.
Never mind.
I took that.
Never
Fair
mind.
enough,
I'll find out what's the name of it. Thank you for coming.
No problem. Whatever is easier for you. She's helping me. Thank you.
Who's next?
They are.
Can I?
No, we already ordered.
Oh, okay.
Hi.
For you.
That'll be all.
The bigger one. Yes. I know why you're talking.
You don't want any chocolate, right?
Actually, two medium. Yeah, regular loaf.
Traditional for that, especially Thanksgiving, that people usually make it. So stove top stuffing mix, okay. And here you go. Then I'm making. Also, we have to put the butter, the 4 spoon, the butter, and 1.5 cup of water. Butter, I just put here. তার সাথে আমি ব্রেড ক্রামও দিয়ে দিচ্ছি। I just put the bread crumb as well, 4 spoon, 1 egg, parsley, and salt, etc.
Then I make it for the lemon with the olive oil. Where's that? Okay. Here. So let me just put the. This is the special herb, the poultry seasoning, and there is a very special ingredients of that. So I love to put a little bit here. That's done. Okay. Okay. So this red potato, make.
আমি অর্গানিক স্পিনাচও দিয়ে দিই, রোস্টেড করি এটা। তার মধ্যে আমি আবার লাইক I just check as well the red potato, and I just trying to make this spinach, roasted spinach. I'm trying to cook in that time. And also after 1 hour with the 400-degree temperature, I put this oven for the turkey. For 1 hour after that, put in a cream mushroom soup.
Hi, happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Yeah, welcome to join with us for the dinner, Thanksgiving dinner, that I'm trying to make it look a little like the best, because last year we had a party in our auntie's home, and this time I made it like this is, and actually we made it actually, but I trying to make nice way this turkey meatloaf. You can see baby roasted spinach, and then red roasted, I mean like organic red roasted potato and stuffing. Yeah, it's kind of trying to make a little fun. So turkey meatloaf. Yeah, this turkey meatloaf. Cutting now. Yes. So right here. And another one. This looks really, really good. See? It's right here. So let it sit. Now here. Okay. So you can like this here, okay?
I don't want to get any copyright, that's why I just have to record again for voice, because that was background music playing. So I want to trying to say here is the Boston cream, I mean like Boston Big Donuts, and the special about that is the rainbow cookies. It's very tasty, and there is many different color, but it doesn't get any, you can get any smell or any, you know, usually the people get smell from the colors, but that is, it's really tasty. And the special for Brooklyn, and then that tasty pastry, the bakery, is really very good taste for that dessert. And also they have the Ferrero Rocher that we bought it. So the Ferrero Rocher, they have the chocolate flavor and the caramel inside, and you can see.
Ferrero Rocher mousse. This is ingredients they use called like hazel mousse with the chocolate and chocolate cake. I mean, and that's very special cookies. Pignoli's cookies. Okay, Pignoli. This is the special. You can see the nut. That nut very rare and very expensive, and this came from like pine tree. Inside the pine, for that nuts came from, and are very delicious. Let's try for Boston cream pie. Is yellow custard, chocolate with the cream, and wow, this is really very good taste and very lovely. Yeah, this is a special bakery for the tasty pastry. Don't think I'm just trying to advertising because this is nothing related to that, but really very good taste. I love it. It's really good. Thank you so much. Be peace and happy Thanksgiving.